How to create or open AustralianSuper account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to create or open AustralianSuper account. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for www.australiansuper.com. You will be led to the official webpage of AustralianSuper. To create an account, tap on the Join drop-down you see there. On the top and further, select the Super option. You will now be required to fill in the form, so start by entering your email address and then tap on the Terms and Conditions checkbox you see there and further tap on the Get Started button. Now, go ahead and select your title, your first name, last name and your date of birth along with your gender and tap on the Continue button. You will then be asked to enter your address, so go ahead and enter your address and tap on the Continue button. You will now be required to enter your phone number, so enter your phone number and scroll down and tap on the Continue button again. Now, if you have your tax file number, then enter it, else it is totally optional. Tap on Continue again, and now, if your employer will be contributing to your super, then select the Yes option, and if not, then select the No option and enter the occupation and tap on Continue. Now go through the product disclosure statement and select the checkbox there and tap on Continue again. Now, if you want to nominate a beneficiary for your account, then tap on Yes, and if not, then tap on No, and then tap on the Continue button. Finally, you will be led to the Declaration and Acknowledgement page, so go through that and select the checkbox there and tap on the Continue button. You will then be shown with all the details you entered before the final submission. So go through that and make the changes if necessary and tap on the Submit button, and with this your AustralianSuper account is all set. So this is how you can create or open AustralianSuper account. If you found the video helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.